Dolls? Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm coming to you with a Q&A. So I am 1 month post-op from surgery. I am sitting on a bobby pillow, y'all. Correction. A BBL pillow. That pillow is not the softest. So life updates. What have I been doing? I've been healing. Y'all already know I was quick and up and ready to get back to the tutorials, even when I like 2-3 days after surgery, but I really couldn't do it because it was so hard, like laying down and trying to do it on my stomach. Like, that was so irritating. Told me y'all was still gonna be here for me, so I was like, okay, you know what, that just made me feel so safe, so I can relax. Definitely am pleased with my BBL, y'all. So first, before we get into this Q&A, a lot of y'all had a lot of questions, but most of them they were the same. Say, who geared me towards this doctor? So I looked at Aaliyah faces. Her stuff was bomb, so I had to go, and I saw Calumet. So I was like, okay, they went to the same doctor. Their body is bomb as hell, so he must be good. So I went in, baby, I got the bombest results. Okay, not too much or it's not too less. It's like right in between. It's like natural looking. So how you book, I will leave in the description right below. Now if you ever go to them and book with them for BBL, let them know who I am. That was Dr. Fisher. He's located at Jolie Plastic Surgery. The staff at Jolie Plastic Surgery were great. I thought they were gonna be mean, but they weren't mean to me. They were real sweet, respectful. Some of them can't talk in English that well, so if you talk Spanish, then that's good for you. More that I'm missing out, but I'm definitely going to tell you my experience. So let's get right into it. First question: how long did you have to wait to sit down? Price: did you get a BBL in 360? So they tell you 6 weeks to sit down. That's like a safe period, but it's like 8 weeks that you have to wait. I mean, that you can fully like really sit on your butt. So that's why I'm on a pillow. It's only a month. So April 4th is when I will be able to officially sit down on my butt. Price, y'all, the price was $6,500, and it comes with 5 free massages. Worth it. Every time you get the massage, it's gonna hurt at first. Oh, that shit would hurt. It hurted so bad when I got my first massage, y'all. Oh my god. When she touched me, it was so like tender. Did you get a BBL in the 360? Okay, so first of all, let me tell y'all before people say, you know, how many surgeries she did. She didn't like the first one. No, I didn't get a BBL the first time. The first time, I got a breast lift, a breast implant, and they resized my nipples, and my nipples too high. Anyways, that's a whole other thing. I will be telling y'all about that at the end too. So that's what I got, and I got lipo to the stomach. So the second round is lipo to the stomach. Never got anything done to my butt, but as of now, which is February, when I got it done, February 22nd. But yes, I had lipo 360, so they sucked everything from like everything from my back, everything from my front, and then they just put everything into my butt. And I get a tummy tuck. A tummy tuck would have made my waist look more sucked in, and they would have repaired my abdominal, whatever that is in the inside, and my waist would have been really tiny. But I didn't want it, so I said, you know what, I don't want that scar. I don't know, those scars be really, I don't know, I just do something. You make recovery look flawless and pain-free. How? I don't know, I can take pain well, sis. So I don't know, I just had this mindset like, man, you need to be strong, you need to get the fuck up, okay? It's all in the mind, it's all in the mind. They said, didn't Larry think of you getting it? I don't want to be rude, but Larry didn't have no say so to it, so that's just him. But it's my body, so that's just me. He can't tell me what to do with my body. Not to be smart, but I'm just saying. Levels on day 1 compared to 2 days after. Also, did you vlog, sis? Yes, I did vlog. The vlog is up. I will leave it right here. I don't know where it's gonna be at, but I will leave it in this video. But pain, sis, the first day, the only thing that was hurting, have you ever heard of BBL headaches? If you look it up, people have headaches, and I was experiencing headaches until I got home. I don't know what it was, but I was experiencing headaches, maybe because it was me getting up too fast, but they finally stopped. So I guess that is normal. The blood, it felt like the blood was rushing to my head. I wasn't in pain at all, nothing like that, like due to my body. It was just my head was hurting and it felt like this blood was rushing to my head. That's what it felt like. So day one, it was cool, but it just that headache. How long did I have to stay in Miami? So when you get a BBL, it all depends sometimes because of complications afterwards. So you might have to push your stay longer. But me, I was good. I take surgery well anyways. I haven't been put to sleep that many times. So I stayed there for a week, y'all, and I loved Miami. I love Miami. Did you stay, well, okay, Robin J asked another question. She said, did you stay at a recovery house or a hotel? So the recovery house, let me explain that. I did ask one of the fellow girls that was getting BBL. She was from New York, and she said that she only paid like $9 something, I think, for the recovery house, and like you have people that are going to take care of you, bring you here and back. So that was a good, I paid like $1,000 to stay at an Airbnb. But the Airbnb lady, she was so sweet. And that's only because I had people to take care of me. Now, if you don't have nobody to take care of you, stay at a recovery house, y'all. Stay at a recovery house. But if you have people like friends, your mama going, your family, anybody going, make sure, you know, they taking good care of you. Get all your stuff that you need before you come home from surgery. They asked how I'm feeling. I'm feeling great now. I'm feeling great now, girl. Well, hey, girl. She was like, were you nervous going in? What helps you? Was I nervous going in? Yes, I was nervous going in because what got me nervous is the blood clots, number one, that got me nervous. And I heard that it's a vein in your butt that if the doctor like jugs the fat in your butt and accidentally pokes that vein, fat particles can get into your veins and like cause you to like stop breathing. Like I think it have a heart attack or something like that, and you could like die in your sleep. Like that was so scary. Like thinking about that, was so scary. But you have to look up these times. Make sure you do your research on your doctors. I asked Aaliyah Faces, like, girl, did he have any deaths, girl? And then I also researched on YouTube. Then you know you have to research on itself or something like that. Go everywhere to try to search about your doctor to see if you have any deaths. It's better to have a doctor with no deaths than any deaths. So I went with him and I was like, okay, yes. You signing them papers to give your life away anyway. So baby, if you gonna get on that table when you gonna get this done or not, like, listen, sis. You did your research, you came to this spot. Like, I be trying to think of stuff like that's going like that. Like, man, look, just trusting your doctor. So my auntie said, prior to surgery, should you drink a lot of water? Yes, you should drink a lot of water. And another key is, y'all, I didn't do it, but I heard this after. See, I didn't even see this before, but I didn't get recorded at Jolie past surgery, anything. They didn't record me. I think they took a picture. I don't know. He might have took a picture, but I didn't get recorded. Saying that if you drink Pedialyte before your surgery, you probably won't experience any headaches, none of that. You will feel good, up and ready to go. Like the second day, I was like up and ready to get up out of here. Okay, so try to drink water and Pedialyte is pretty good. They said, how many massages do you believe you should do, and how many do they recommend? I got 5. Well, I have 5 free ones, but I didn't get 5 because between like the Airbnb and Jolie was like really far, so like my Uber rides was like almost like $800. I would say, I would suggest to stay at a recovery house because you gotta think about Ubers and everything, especially if you're not driving and nobody drives around you. Now if your mama drives, then good. I recommend to get, I don't know, it all depends on you. I got 3 and that's all I had. After, you could get at least get 2 after. Don't waste your money on massages. I heard, because when you are compressed, get something that's gonna compress you, put your borders on, and keep tightening your waist up. So it was just a butt lift, any fat transfer, how long until you heal all the way up. So 6 months to a year to heal all the way up. And was it a butt lift? Is it your butt lift? I guess, yeah. And if fat transfer, all of that is the same thing. This is a good question because the clinic did change their name, plenty of times. They said that they did. It was so my mom told me it was this boy up in there, and they was like going back and forth, talk about some. Y'all did change y'all name over here. Y'all changed y'all name about 3 times. So yeah, they did change their name. They had a whole incident where they had a death in there, y'all. So yeah, like I said, do your research. The doctor that I went to didn't have any deaths. His name was Dr. Fisher. But the one who had the death was outside had the death. He wasn't board certified then, but I think he's board certified now. So if y'all want to trust him, y'all can do it. But he has one death under him. So girl asked me, wasn't scared with all the things being said at Jolie. Yes, I was scared, but it wasn't my doctor. So that made me feel way better. Insurance cover anything? What are your pain levels? Baby, I don't have insurance. To be honest, I don't have insurance. I have to come out of pocket for everything. I need to give me some insurance. They cut me off my monthly Medicaid. Real tea, sis. I don't have insurance, so it didn't cover nothing. What I did was I saved, put deposits on it, kept putting deposits on it. So it's like you pay for your booty, you pick a date when you want to go, you pick a year when you want to go, and you just pay on your booty. That's it. So happy you're getting everything you want and deserve. Thank you, girl. Yes, I am so happy with the results of this. But y'all, I won't be leaving again for a month. None, like, you know, during the summertime. But September, like almost leading into fall, I will be going to get my breast redone, and that's the only surgery I will have again, okay? Because these need to get fixed. Like, okay, so Lakeisha was like, I want to see you in an outfit to see your figure, girl. Show us, girl. So I did. So I was, I will show you right here. So one of my posts, I'll show you, and I'm gonna definitely show you how my waist is if it was snatched in versus from, you know, how many have it in. I got on different panties. Like, I don't have no black panties, so don't judge me, okay? How was the pain during recovery? So from like a 0 to a 10, the first day I could say it was like a 5, 6, and then like during the other days it was like a 3, 4-ish. Not really a 4-ish, but like a 3, because I was, the headaches, I can say like push that to a 4 because the headaches was, and my head was still hurting. You have to drink a lot of fluids because you get dizzy and stuff like that. But it wasn't hurting at all. It seems like it didn't hurt at all, girl. It didn't. You just feel real stuffed. You feel like a stuffed turkey. That's what you feel like. Did your doctor get you a massage therapist? No, I mean, you have massage people there. They do lymphatic massages, so I don't know, I guess that's the same thing. Is there a specific shape or look you were going for? So I did do a live video. If y'all didn't see it, I did do a live video. Check out my blog. I did do a live video on what the shape that I wanted. So he went out the shape that I wanted. And I really wanted hips, and I wanted my butt to like be protruded a little bit more than what it was. So just some little curves and then more protruded. So he gave me what I wanted. I didn't want it to be that big. I didn't want it to be that big. So you definitely, after surgery, you definitely have to get your waist smaller so that you can see more of that butt. You know, that all plays into part too. Will the surgery last? The surgery lasts, get it wrong, I think it lasts, because I was in there for a long time. So I didn't get into surgery. I mean, I didn't get into the room until like 6. I think it was like 3 or 4 hours. Don't clock me on that. Somebody said, are you satisfied with it? Yes, I'm satisfied with this surgery. The last one, no. Y'all already know I was not satisfied with that. Somebody said, I'm going to April. Any suggestions? I would suggest something that I didn't do is work out, but you don't want to lose fat. So I kept eating to gain more weight. So if you want to see really like good results, try to like waist train a little bit, so that when he suck it out, like everything's gonna be like, ooh, it's gonna be like that. Try to waist train and exercise a little bit. Try to eat healthy, so therefore like after surgery you will have that mindset to eat healthy. A lot of water, drink Pedialyte like they said is really good before and after. This mindset of you about to go in there and be snatched and not be scared. That's all I'm gonna give you for your suggestion. Hey, did you get a fat transfer and how much was it? Also, do they go by bigger the butt, the more money? No, they don't. It all depends on what you want to add on, and you can tell him like if you have fat, if you want your butt natural, if you want some volume, just add it to your butt. If you want your butt big as hell, you just tell him what you want, and it's the same price that you pay. Now if you want something added like arms or anything, that's additional money to add on to your service that you're getting. What's the add-on? I was max $6,500, so additional add-on to that, maybe like $1,000 more to get like your arm or any other area done to for lipo. Is it really hard to pee after? Yes, because like you're gonna be stuffed as fuck, so you can't sit down. So I suggest to get those pee cups. Very essential. That's, oh my god, you take that everywhere you go. Get those pee cups, stand up like a nigga and piss. Okay, are you still experiencing any pain? No. It's basically the same question because that's all they wanted to know. It's say, how will you sit on a plane? So I had to walk. I had a note to walk, especially so I won't catch blood clots, so you know the pressure and stuff. So you have to walk up and down the plane so that you would not catch any blood clots or anything like that. Like I was sleepy, y'all, so I kept walking up and down the plane, and then I had like was kneeling in the plane, you know, because you could take your seatbelt off. So I was like kneeling, uncomfortable. Hey, do you lose weight after your BBL? Yes, I am starting to see myself like, well, the inches, because you're gonna be swole. So that first, okay, also this too. When you look at your butt when you first come out and it looks real huge sometimes, don't look at that because you're swole. So you can be like, oh my god, my butt big. So if you're someone who wants your butt big, I say go big, and then because once your swelling go down, I think some of your butt go down. 6 months to a year to heal, so you're definitely gonna keep losing weight, especially if you're eating right too. So that all plays a big part. Like I said, you recommend that a 21-year-old gets one? She's grown, so if she wants to get one, then yeah. I mean, 18 and older, you're grown, so hey, that's you. Now if you was under, go back parent. I don't know. Is the bottle in front of you hanging for? So that was just a drain tube for all the drainage to come out, like the blood, the fluids goes in that tube, and then like once it's not like really drained no more, they take it out. Your BBL come with hips? Yes, they did come with hips. If you want to add it, it comes with hips, but if you don't want it, you don't have to get it. They take the fat from to transfer it into your butt. So a 360 is from all the back of your back. So the upper, the lower, and then the top part of your stomach and the lower part of your stomach, and they take all that fat for the sides too, and they stuff it right in your butt. The last question, I think, because I didn't see it in there, they asked me how many cc's was in my butt. I have to sign this medical form and get that back, and I definitely will comment that in the description bar below to tell you how many cc's are in each cheek, so that y'all would know. That y'all enjoyed. If y'all have any more questions that I missed for you down the description bar below or in this video, please comment down below and tell me. Press that subscribe button, and next to it press that bell so that you will always get notified when Briana Marie uploads a video, which is me. And until then, I will see you guys on the next tutorial.